Welcome to our comprehensive guide on career paths in the semiconductor industry. Semiconductors are at the heart of modern technology, powering everything from smartphones to cars. As the demand for advanced electronics grows, so does the need for skilled professionals in this field. In this video, we'll explore the diverse roles available, the skills required, and how you can start or advance your career in this dynamic industry. Whether you're a student, a recent graduate, or considering a career change, understanding the opportunities in semiconductors can open doors to exciting and impactful work. Let's begin our journey into the world of semiconductors. Semiconductors are materials with electrical properties between conductors and insulators. They are essential for creating integrated circuits and chips, which are the brains behind most electronic devices. The industry encompasses the design, manufacturing, and testing of these components. Understanding the basics of semiconductors is crucial for anyone interested in this field, as it forms the foundation for all career paths within the industry. From raw material processing to final product assembly, semiconductors play a pivotal role in technological advancement. Semiconductor industry is vast and multifaceted, involving companies that specialize in design, manufacturing, equipment, and materials. Major players include chip designers, foundries, and equipment suppliers. The industry is global, with key hubs in the United States, Asia, and Europe. This interconnected network creates a wide range of job opportunities, from research and development to sales and marketing. Understanding the structure of the industry helps you identify where your interests and skills might fit best. Research and development (R&D) is the driving force behind innovation in semiconductors. Professionals in R&D work on creating new materials, improving chip designs, and developing advanced manufacturing processes. These roles often require strong backgrounds in physics, chemistry, or engineering. If you enjoy problem-solving and pushing the boundaries of technology, R&D could be a perfect fit. Collaboration with cross-functional teams is common, making communication skills equally important. Design engineers are responsible for creating the architecture of semiconductor chips. This involves using specialized software to lay out circuits and optimize performance. Attention to detail and a strong grasp of electronics are essential. Design engineering roles can focus on analog, digital, or mixed-signal circuits, offering a variety of specializations. These positions are ideal for those who enjoy both creativity and technical challenges, as every chip design must balance speed, power, and cost. Process engineers develop and optimize the manufacturing steps used to create semiconductor devices. They work closely with equipment and materials to ensure high yields and quality. This role requires a deep understanding of chemistry, materials science, and engineering principles. Process engineers often troubleshoot production issues and implement improvements, making adaptability and analytical skills crucial. If you enjoy hands-on problem-solving and working in high-tech environments, process engineering offers a rewarding path. Equipment engineers are responsible for maintaining and improving the machines used in semiconductor manufacturing. They ensure that tools operate efficiently and reliably, minimizing downtime. This role combines mechanical, electrical, and software knowledge. Equipment engineers often collaborate with vendors and production teams to implement upgrades and solve technical challenges. If you have a passion for technology and enjoy working with complex machinery, this could be an excellent career choice. Quality assurance (QA) professionals play a critical role in ensuring that semiconductor products meet strict standards. They design and implement tests, analyze data, and work to prevent defects. QA roles require attention to detail, analytical thinking, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By maintaining high quality, QA teams help protect a company's reputation and ensure customer satisfaction. If you are meticulous and enjoy problem-solving, QA could be a great fit. Test engineers develop and execute procedures to verify that semiconductor devices function as intended. They design test plans, build test hardware, and analyze results to identify issues. This role requires a strong understanding of electronics and programming. Test engineers work closely with design and manufacturing teams to ensure products meet specifications. If you enjoy both hardware and software challenges, test engineering offers a dynamic and impactful career. Manufacturing operations professionals oversee the day-to-day production of semiconductor devices. They manage schedules, coordinate teams, and ensure that production targets are met. This role requires strong organizational and leadership skills. Operations staff work closely with engineers and technicians to maintain smooth workflows and address any issues that arise. If you thrive in fast-paced environments and enjoy managing people and processes, manufacturing operations could be your calling. Supply chain professionals ensure that materials, components, and finished products move efficiently through the semiconductor manufacturing process. They coordinate with suppliers, manage inventory, and optimize logistics. This role is vital for minimizing costs and avoiding production delays. Strong analytical and communication skills are essential, as supply chain managers often negotiate with vendors and solve complex logistical challenges. If you enjoy strategic planning and problem-solving, this field offers many opportunities. Sales and marketing professionals in the semiconductor industry bridge the gap between technical teams and customers. They promote products, identify market trends, and develop strategies to increase sales. This role requires a blend of technical knowledge and strong communication skills. Sales and marketing teams often work internationally, providing opportunities to travel and build global relationships. If you enjoy interacting with people and have a knack for persuasion, this could be a rewarding path. Field application engineers phase support customers by providing technical expertise and troubleshooting assistance. They help integrate semiconductor products into customer designs and resolve technical issues. Phase need a deep understanding of both the products and customer applications. This role involves frequent travel and direct interaction with clients, making it ideal for those who enjoy dynamic, customer-facing work. Strong problem-solving and communication skills are essential. Product managers oversee the development and lifecycle of semiconductor products. They work with engineering, marketing, and sales teams to define product features, set timelines, and ensure successful launches. Product managers must balance technical requirements with market needs, making strategic decisions that impact the company's success. This role is perfect for those who enjoy leadership, strategy, and working at the intersection of technology and business. Technical support specialists assist customers and internal teams with troubleshooting and resolving technical issues related to semiconductor products. They provide guidance on product usage, diagnose problems, and recommend solutions. This role requires strong technical knowledge, patience, and excellent communication skills. Technical support is essential for maintaining customer satisfaction and ensuring the smooth operation of products in the field. Human resources, HR professionals in the semiconductor industry manage recruitment, employee relations, and organizational development. They play a key role in attracting top talent and fostering a positive work environment. HR teams also handle training, benefits, and compliance with labor laws. If you enjoy working with people and supporting their growth, a career in HR can be both impactful and fulfilling within this high-tech sector. Finance and accounting professionals ensure the financial health of semiconductor companies. They manage budgets, analyze financial data, and support strategic decision-making. This role requires strong analytical skills and attention to detail. Finance teams work closely with other departments to allocate resources effectively and plan for future growth. If you have a passion for numbers and business strategy, finance and accounting offer stable and rewarding career paths. Information technology, IT, and cybersecurity professionals protect the digital infrastructure of semiconductor companies. They manage networks, secure sensitive data, and respond to cyber threats. This field is rapidly evolving, requiring continuous learning and adaptability. IT and cybersecurity roles are critical for maintaining business continuity and protecting intellectual property. If you're interested in technology and enjoy solving complex problems, this area offers exciting challenges and growth opportunities. Legal and compliance professionals ensure that semiconductor companies operate within the law and adhere to industry regulations. They handle contracts, intellectual property, and regulatory filings. This role requires strong analytical and communication skills, as well as attention to detail. Legal teams help protect the company's interests and support business operations. If you have a background in law or compliance, this field offers a unique way to contribute to the industry. Environmental health and safety, EHS, professionals ensure that semiconductor manufacturing processes are safe for workers and the environment. They develop safety protocols, conduct training, and monitor compliance with regulations. EHS roles require knowledge of environmental science, engineering, and safety standards. By promoting a culture of safety, these professionals help protect employees and the community while supporting sustainable business practices. Packaging engineers design and develop the protective enclosures for semiconductor devices. Their work ensures that chips are safely transported and function reliably in various environments. This role involves materials science, mechanical design, and testing. Packaging engineers collaborate with manufacturing and quality teams to optimize designs for performance and cost. If you enjoy creative problem solving and engineering challenges, packaging engineering could be a great fit. Materials scientists in the semiconductor industry research and develop new materials for use in chips and manufacturing processes. Their discoveries can lead to faster, smaller, and more efficient devices. This field requires a strong background in chemistry, physics, or materials engineering. Materials scientists often work in labs, collaborating with engineers and researchers to push the boundaries of what's possible in electronics. Automation engineers design and implement systems that streamline semiconductor manufacturing. They develop software and hardware solutions to increase efficiency and reduce errors. This role requires expertise in programming, robotics, and process control. Automation engineers work closely with production teams to identify opportunities for improvement and implement new technologies. If you enjoy working at the intersection of software and hardware, automation engineering offers exciting possibilities. Data scientists and analysts in the semiconductor industry use data to drive decision-making and optimize processes. They analyze production data, identify trends, and develop predictive models. This role requires strong statistical and programming skills, as well as the ability to communicate insights to non-technical teams. Data science is becoming increasingly important as companies seek to improve yields and reduce costs through data-driven strategy. Internships and entry-level positions are excellent ways to start a career in the semiconductor industry. These roles provide hands-on experience and exposure to various aspects of the business. Interns often work on real projects alongside experienced professionals, gaining valuable skills and industry knowledge. Entry-level roles can lead to rapid advancement for those who show initiative and a willingness to learn. If you're just starting out, look for opportunities that align with your interests and long-term goals. Semiconductor industry offers numerous opportunities for career growth and advancement. Professionals can move into leadership roles, specialize in technical areas, or transition to related fields such as consulting or academia. Continuous learning and professional development are key to long-term success. Many companies offer training programs, mentorship, and support for further education. By staying curious and proactive, you can build a rewarding and dynamic career in this ever-evolving industry. Success in the semiconductor industry requires a mix of technical and soft skills. Technical expertise in engineering, programming, or science is essential for many roles. However, communication, teamwork, and problem-solving abilities are equally important. Adaptability and a willingness to learn new technologies will help you stay ahead in this fast-paced field. Building a strong professional network and seeking mentorship can also accelerate your career growth. Semiconductor industry faces several challenges, including rapid technological change, global competition, and supply chain disruptions. Professionals must be resilient and adaptable to succeed. Companies are investing in research, automation, and sustainability to address these issues. By understanding the challenges and staying informed about industry trends, you can position yourself as a valuable asset to employers and contribute to the industry's ongoing success. Future of the semiconductor industry is bright, with emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, 5G, and quantum computing driving demand for new chips. Sustainability and energy efficiency are also becoming top priorities. Professionals who stay updated on these trends and develop relevant skills will be well positioned for future opportunities. The industry's evolution promises exciting challenges and the chance to work on groundbreaking technology. Summary: the semiconductor industry offers a wide range of career paths for individuals with diverse skills and interests. From engineering and research to business and support roles, there's something for everyone. By understanding the industry, building relevant skills, and staying proactive, you can carve out a successful and fulfilling career. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of semiconductor industry career paths. We hope this guide has inspired you to take the next step toward your future in this exciting field.